So you can see I got this huge truck behind us. It can be an indoor outdoor area. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Northern Wash Pressure Washing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're kind of starting off backwards. Usually I do my service first and then I go do my estimates. The way that it turned out today is I have 3 estimates that I'm gonna go do first. The reason is because 2 of them I had to do in the morning. I didn't want to do 2 estimates in the morning service and then another estimate. I just had 1 more estimate, so I asked them if I can go in the morning and they said yes. So I'm gonna do my 3 estimates first thing in the morning. I won't record any of that. I'll record the footage once I get to my job. That job is gonna be a pool deck. It's a pool deck that I did last year. This year he wants me to come out and clean it again because he's actually going to paint his pool deck. So he wants to prep it. So that's what we have today. We have 3 estimates and then that pool deck. I am feeling a little better today. Yesterday was just, I was just so tired. I was out of it. I felt really sick. But luckily I feel better today. I keep calling it a bite and I know it's not a bite. I'm not used to calling it a stung, whatever. My wasp sting, not a bite, whatever, man. It's early in the morning and I'm not 100% yet, but this thing is really itchy. It's more itchy than pain. It's so annoying, man. Last night it didn't really want to let me sleep. I had to go get an ice pack and I was just putting it on it. I fell asleep with an ice pack for a while. Man, this thing is really itchy. I really hope it goes away by today. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit, so stay tuned. All right guys, I'm all done with the estimates. I went ahead and I completed 3 of them and now we're here on site. I had to actually pull into the driveway. The customer actually offered it. He's like, because there's a lot of work going on his road. So you can see I got this huge truck behind us. And then yeah, they're doing a lot of work on this road. Just to make it easier, I went ahead and I pulled in. And then I'll show you guys what we're doing here. Okay, so this customer we actually serviced last year. It's a really great backyard. I really like how he has this set up. He's got like an area in here where it can be an indoor outdoor area, and then he's got his pool right here, patio back there with that sunshade. He's got over here a nice little area too. So I really love this house. I love what he's done. But yeah, last year we washed this brick right here, this concrete, washed this area, and then we washed that deck over there too. So this is what he's trying to do. This was brand new, so he went ahead and painted it already, but he wants to paint it the same, so we're gonna go ahead and wash this for him. So basically prepping it for the paint. We'll go ahead and get started. This is all we're doing this year. We're not washing the decks or the brick or anything. It's just this concrete around. Actually, the only brick that we are washing is this brick over here, and just because it's a low spot, so you can tell how it has some moss and some green stuff on it. But yeah, it's a nice quick job. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything down, and then I'll get a few time lapse of me cleaning this up. I should mention, because I had estimates this morning, I didn't wear my work pants. I put on just my regular jeans, my nice jeans actually. These are one of my favorite jeans. See, I mean, nothing too out there or anything, but what I'm getting to is I forgot my work pants on my counter. So now I have to mess these pants up. Hopefully I don't get too much chemical on them and turn them colors. Believe it or not, I did think about flipping these inside out, but oh man, whatever. It's lesson learned, man. So yeah, I'm probably gonna mess these pants up. My wife's gonna kill me. She's gonna be like, really, your nice clothes, like you always do that to your nice clothes? I don't know why, man, but I do. Like, I swear, I buy new shoes and then I say, oh, I'm gonna take care of these, I'm not gonna wear these for work or anything, and then next thing you know is I put them on. I say, oh, I'm gonna run a quick errand. Well, that quick errand turns into, oh, I might as well do it right now. Next thing you know, I did a whole day in those brand new shoes and they're tore up. I do it all the time with shirts, and now I'm gonna do it with my jeans. So whatever, man. Lesson learned for sure. Okay, so right here I'm going to start with adding the soap. Normally you guys see me do the surface cleaning first and then I add the soap, but because we did this house last year, it wasn't so dirty, so I added the soap first. After adding the soap, I'll go over it with the surface cleaner and that'll eliminate any remaining residue on the top. I did raise the soap all the way up with the pressure washer, so I have it at 2%. That way it's still strong enough to eliminate any organic growth. Alright, I'm all done adding the soap. I went ahead and I put soap on the entire thing. I did 2 coats. And I did turn it up pretty high because I want it to be really nice and clean for him and eliminate any organic growth, so that once he paints it, it really sticks on good. And I did put it over here as well because he did ask me if I could just quickly wash it. But I won't be going over it with the surface cleaner. Yeah, and over here you can already see it's starting to kill all of the moss too. So I have the surface cleaner out. I'm gonna go ahead and start surface cleaning. I took out the bigger one because it is a bigger area and I can maneuver around with it good in this spot. Alright, I'm all done rinsing it. So this is how it turned out. It's not like night and day difference, because remember I was here. Man, stuff's already falling on it because I was here last year, and last year it was a big difference because it hadn't been washed in a couple of years. So it's basically just prepped. Whatever he's gonna put on it now should stick on a lot better. I did get over there and under here as much as possible, but yeah, everything came out nice and clean. I always try to aim inward so that I don't put too much dirt or stuff in the pool, and then I clean around these with the wand. Over here I'm gonna go ahead and touch up because I didn't like how it turned out. Like, there's still some green stuff right there, some green stuff right there. Yeah, see, there's just green stuff right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up. I don't like how this turned out. I wanted it to come out good. So yeah, I'll touch this spot up and then I'll let it dwell. While it's dwelling, I'll put away some of the stuff, come back and rinse it, and then we'll be out of here. Alrighty, I'm all done with this. Came out a lot better. It just has to dry now, but I did a light rinse to not like fully remove all of the soap, just in case there's any green stuff or moss. Some of it stays on to kill it, but yeah, all of it is pretty removed now. So I'll go ahead and put everything away, talk to the customer, and then we'll be out of here. All right guys, that's a wrap. I actually couldn't record my outro there because the semi truck and the workers were working on his property by the time that I was ending, so they were blocking off the driveway, so we had to ask them to move and then had to pull out and leave, and it was really noisy right there, so I just pulled down the street to record my outro. But yeah, everything came out really good. He took a look at everything, he really liked it, paid me. So yeah, that's it for today. It's a short video. It's probably my shortest video yet, but yeah, I just had some estimates in the morning and just that small service in the afternoon. Not really the afternoon, I think it's barely 1 o'clock. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know if you guys have any questions or what type of videos you guys want to see. I'm not really sure if there's other types of videos that I could put out. Like right now I'm just recording my jobs as it is, but I mean, if you guys want to see anything else, let me know. I'll see if I can do it. But yeah, thanks for all your support and everything. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
Are you a business owner seeking to elevate your business to new heights? Or are you an aspiring entrepreneur eager to launch your own business? If you're looking for guidance and support to achieve your goals, look no further. Do you own a pressure washing company or service company? Are you struggling to land jobs or grow your business? I offer personalized solutions depending on where you are in the growth stage of your business. I can help you with your business strategy, marketing, sales, operations, or any other challenges you may be facing. Ready to take your business to the next level? Book a consultation today. Visit my website to learn more. northernbusinesscoach.com